Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to search by date on Yahoo Mail so you can quickly find emails from a specific time period. If your inbox is full and scrolling takes forever, using the date filter can save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through how to filter emails by common time ranges like today, this week, or this month, and also how to search between custom dates when you need something very specific. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to locate old messages in seconds instead of digging through hundreds of emails manually. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Yahoo Mail account and sign in as usual. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right side of the email list and locate the small filter icon. This filter tool allows you to narrow down results so you can find emails faster. Click on the filter icon and you will see several search options appear. One of these options is the time filter, which normally shows as anytime. Click on anytime and Yahoo Mail will display several preset time ranges such as today, yesterday, this week, this month, or even the past year. Choose any preferred time range and then press the search button. Yahoo will instantly show emails that match that selected period. This is perfect if you only want to see recent emails from a certain time frame. If you want to search between two specific dates, click the filter icon again. This time choose the date option. A calendar style selector will appear allowing you to pick a start date and an end date. Select the dates you want, confirm the range, and then click search. Yahoo Mail will now display only the emails that were sent or received within those selected dates. One helpful tip is that after running a search, you'll see the date filter highlighted at the top of the results. You can click it again anytime to quickly adjust the range without starting a new search from scratch. This makes it much easier to refine your results until you find the exact email you're looking for. And that's how to search by date on Yahoo Mail. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when your inbox gets crowded. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy email and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.